Morning, everybody. I'll make a video about things that you should always carry on your bike, like a boost box. They do make them small enough you can fit them in a tank bag or a saddle bag. I had a flat tire a couple weeks ago. Didn't have no fix-a-flat, no tire plugs, no air pump, nothing. It's not good when you're like 55, 60 miles from home and there ain't no gas station around nowhere. Yeah, it was a pretty rough day. But I got a tire plug. Purchased some stuff from a gentleman, and he just happened to have tire plugs for his vehicles at home, and he went and hooked me up. Got my tire fixed, got me home, got me aired up. But I'm going to show you a list of things here in the next video. Things that I carry on my bike. You might want to consider carrying on yours, just in case you have a dead battery, get stranded somewhere. They do make some really awesome tiny jump boxes, which this is one of them. This is the particular one I have. I'll turn it on for you right quick. We got lights and stuff on it. High, low, SOS. This particular one here is 1,000 amps, so it'll start any Harley Davidson, any sport bike, any car, any truck, up to a 6.0 diesel motor. This thing will crank. Comes with jumper cables. You can take it off and carry it with you when you go on a walk through the woods, when you go on a adventure on your bike and you take a walk somewhere. Carry it with your phone. It's really light. It's probably maybe a pound or less. It's got other flashing lights just so that you get pulled over on the side of the road, broke down, people can see you better. Works really good. And then you also got the strobers. Goes through a different pattern. Gets the attention of somebody so they don't run into you from behind if you're stuck on the side of the road. Get you a little radio to put on your bike. They make them really small. I don't know if you can see that very well, but there you go. Put that on my bike. I ain't concerned about using it for speakers or nothing like that. It's got Bluetooth capability. You can connect your phone to it and use your phone, dial your numbers without picking up your phone, and make phone calls right through this thing. AM, FM radio, tire plugs. I'll show you a little kit you can get anywhere, any parts store. I always carry them. I never leave home without them now after having a flat tire the first time ever. A few things you might want to consider having. I'll get a list together for you and show you what I got, and you might want to get the same things, maybe not, maybe something different, and have fun. Yeah, boy.